You have saved me so many times, it's my turn. You told me revenge might dull the pain. But the less we felt, the less we were. Barbara, we don't kill, no matter what.
Duffy's quiet. The news reports say everything's back to normal. Barbara, you never chose any of this. You know who you are, Helena. Maybe I'm not Batman's little girl anymore. Sometimes I feel like he's watching. Kind of like a big guardian bat. Kinda like that.
Hit it. Green Lantern has his special ring. Pretty strong, that little thing. Flashes those, they finish last. Too bad sometimes he's just too fast. While the boys can keep you punks at bay, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey. His batarang. What a weapon, what a bang. He's always right there for the save. I'd like to see his secret cave. While Batman does things in his special way, he'd do it better with the birds of prey. Birds of prey. Yeah.
Nice to see you again, Laurel.
It's been an hour, and I'm a woman of my word.
Behind you! Oliver sure does like to dress up as girls. You're not a killer.
I have been developing a Harley Quinn film, Birds of Prey.
And that's the one you're producing?
Yes, yes. The other ones I'm not a producer on, so I don't know where they stand at the studio, if they'll go and
So
all that
this is
kind of
very
stuff.
much outside of the sort of DC universe?
It's different to the usual. You know, it's much smaller budget than comic book films normally work at. It's going to be R-rated.
We'll look forward to it. Margot, thank you very much
Thank
indeed.
you so much.